Developments in the case of confessed killer Shawn Grate. Today, Grate pleaded guilty to many of the charges. Bob Jones covering the trial in Ashton County. And Bob, this plea deal does not remove the possibility of the death penalty for Mr. Grate.
Well, Danita, the trial continues despite the plea deal, and many courtroom observers didn't see this coming. Shawn Grate today pleading guilty to 15 different charges in the indictment, but the jury still has to reach verdicts on 8 other charges, including the most serious, aggravated murder.
Was this a decision you came to on your own?
Testimony on day 8 of the trial was interrupted with a surprising development. Shawn Grate coming clean on many of the charges. He pleaded guilty to a slew of charges, including gross abuse of a corpse, burglary, robbery, tampering with evidence, rape, and kidnapping.
Do you still want to enter a plea of guilty today?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
The judge spelled out how much time Grate could get for each charge.
A prison term that would be a mandatory prison term of 10 years to life.
The convictions on 15 charges could land Grate in prison for 50 years to life, but the jury must still reach verdicts on the most serious charges of aggravated murder, and if found guilty, decide if Grate deserves a death sentence. Grate has confessed to strangling Stacey Hicks and Liz Griffith, found in an Ashland house in 2016. One body tied up in an upstairs closet, the other left under garbage in the basement. Today, the jury also heard from an Ashland police officer who inspected Shawn Grate's cell phones and found videos of Grate sexually assaulting Hicks and Jane Doe, the woman who escaped the House of Horrors after being tied up and held captive for 3 days. One of the disturbing videos was played for the jury, and after that, prosecutor Chris Tennell was done presenting his case.
State of Ohio arrest.
Okay, thank you.
And the defense team also rested today, which could be a signal that they are focusing on the possible second phase of this trial and coming up with a way to possibly spare Shawn Grate's life. The closing arguments are scheduled for Monday morning. Live in Ashland, Bob Jones, News 5.